Hey everyone, it's Norm here from International Motor Cars, and here in front of me we got this beautiful matte black 2018 Tesla Model X. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you some must-know quirks and features for anyone who's either a Tesla Model X owner or just someone who finds these vehicles interested. Let's get started right now. Alright, so first and foremost, probably my favorite quirk of the Model X is the easy entry, which if you just walk up, the door should pop open, but it doesn't. Alright, so first and foremost, my favorite quirk of the Model X is the easy entry. So of course you just walk up, you don't need any keys in your pocket, the door will present itself, you back up, the door opens, you climb in, and of course again, no hands, the door will shut. Just like that, you're in your Model X, ready to go. Alright, for another cool hidden quirk of the Tesla Model X, you activate it by saying a few simple words, and I'll show you right now. Hey, keep Tesla safe. And just like that, your Model X locks itself up. Pretty cool for sure. Another cool quirk of the Model X, if you've got your kids with you who are bored, you can go to this sketch pad, go sketch on. Do you want to draw us a picture, Mo?
Sure, what do you want here?
You draw us whatever you want. There's colors, anything. Look at that. Mo's like a natural artist.
Sure am.
Look at that. And if you like that picture enough and you want to send it to Mr. Musk, I'll show you what you can do. Another cool quirk of the Model X is the balls out acceleration. This thing is fast. Like instant torque, and this is, keep in mind, this is the slowest Model X you can buy. This is a 75D. No ludicrous, no insane acceleration, just the standard acceleration. Pretty quick. So if Mo decided he wanted to send this to Mr. Musk, you click publish up there and it says, are you sure you want Tesla to critique your artistic masterpiece?
I sure do.
And Mo feels he's an artist. I don't know, I must send it right to Elon. Maybe right to his desk.
I think he's just made him pretty happy today.
He's just, well, those stock prices made him pretty happy too. Mr. Musk is now the richest man in the world based on an $880 US Tesla price, which if you haven't bought Tesla shares, buy in. All right, so another cool thing that I've actually never seen on Teslas before, so this is obviously part of an update, is next to Arcade under Theater, there's actually Netflix, YouTube, Twitch, and Tesla tutorials. Okay, so a couple other little hidden quirks of the Model X is if you're in your main menu here and you go down to software, and of course you guys are familiar, you can name your Tesla. So this one I've just named IMCARS, but Mr. Musk has put a couple little hidden Easter eggs in here. So don't ask me this, but if you type in 42 and go save, it automatically renames your Tesla, life, the universe, and everything else. So I guess number 42 has some sort of mythical meaning of life, the universe, and everything else. But another cool one, if you type in, I believe it's P-A-T-S-Y, Patsy, and we'll go save. Mo, what are you doing? A big foot comes down and makes a fart noise, so don't ask me, but that's that. Cool. So another cool one is emissions mode. So you can, let's say you move this little balloon to that seat, and you can make it fart on demand or fart with your turn signal. You can also choose different types of farts. That's called the Short Shorts Ripper. Falcon Heavy. Ludicrous Fart. Neurostink. Boring Fart. Yeah, it's pretty boring. Or you can randomize it. And again, you can place this on any one of the passengers in the vehicle, so it'll play the audio wherever you want. And again, if you, let's see, fart on turn signal, it will play it with the turn signal, which is pretty cool. So there's that in your toy box. There's also a romance mode, so if Mo and I are lonely, we can get cozy here, which I actually really like this. show you here. So it instantly starts blowing warm air in the car, and it's got it's hot, eh? It's nice. And it's got a fireplace, and it makes fire crackling. And this thing at night actually is so cool. It's so vibrant. Just a cool little quirk of the car. Super cool. And I actually believe if you... Nope. So if you do it at second mode, it'll start playing, I guess, romantic music. But we don't want to get any copyright strikes, so we're not going to play that. Christmas, I've shown you guys that one. Submarine, you can put your car into like James Bond mode. It'll change it into the BMW M1 Submarine. And with your air suspension, it'll just show you how many leagues under the sea you are instead of how many centimeters above ground. So there's that. You can turn your car into a little Mars rover for the navigation. As you guys know, Mr. Musk is all about getting to Mars. So it doesn't tell you very much other than turns your car into a little Mars rover on the actual planet of Mars. Kind of cool. That's pretty much it for the kind of play around. Let's see what's in the entertainment. Oh, yeah, there's a full... forgot, there's like a full arcade. You guys can play... looks like 2, 4, 6, about 12 or 14 different arcade games. And I'm pretty sure one of them actually... you steer with the car, I think. Yeah, look at this. This is like real life arcade. Have you seen this before? No?
Nope.
I'm pretty sure you play the game with the actual car. We'll see here. Hopefully I don't drive through the front of the building. Beach Buggy Racing 2 by Tesla. All right. Got one player. Pick my character. Sure. We're in a black Model X. Yeah, sure. We'll play. Sure. Turn it up. Guess that's as loud as it goes. Okay. So this is actually playing with the car. This is so sick. And you use the actual brakes. Oh my god, I'm in last place, so I'm not doing too well. Oh my god, this is so fun. Where's Autopilot? Oh, I hit a plant. Where's Autopilot in the game when you need it? Man, this is so fun. Still in last. Oh, I'm catching. I keep forgetting I have brakes. Alright, so interesting quirk of the Model X is the Tesla Autopilot and Auto Steer, which down here with this stock, we're gonna pull it twice, and now you'll see this is following the lanes and whatnot for me with very little input from myself. It will brake, it will steer. You can see I'm not doing pretty much anything. Now, if we go down here and we click this, and we go to our toy box, yes, a toy box, we can go to, what do we want to do here? Let's go to Rainbow Road. So, ready for this? Through all this, like, I'm not doing any steering, nothing. It's following the road all by itself. There hasn't been any vehicles to brake for or anything like that. Now, another cool thing about this is if I want to change lanes, I can just press this steering stalk. It will do it all by itself and move into that lane. So, very minimal effort. I don't know how to turn this off. A little annoying now, but oh, there you go. So it turns off by itself after a minute or so. So that's another cool quirk, a little bit hidden of the Model X. So the coolest feature by far is the ability to do the Tesla Christmas dance. Let's show you that right now. So when you're in your Model X, you're gonna go to your toy box, which is located down here in the bottom menu, right there. And right here where it says Model Christmas, we're going to click that. And we're going to click this, Start the Show. All right, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video covering some of the interesting hidden quirks and features of the Tesla Model X. If there's any quirks and features that you guys know about that I didn't cover here, leave me a comment below and let me know what they are. And of course, if you guys like this video and want to see more about Tesla Model X's, give me a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and as always, we'll catch you guys on the next one.